Hello everyone and welcome to another Bigin Explainer video. In this video, we'll be covering how you can automate the payment collection process. Most of you are probably aware of Bigin's payment links feature. For those who aren't, Bigin integrates with popular payment gateways such as Zoho Payments, PayPal, Stripe, Paytm, and more, which means that you will be able to generate and share unique payment collection links right from the deal's record. If you haven't set up that integration, head to the description of this video where we've added an explainer video that will walk you through the entire process. In this video, we'll be going beyond the manual creation of these payment links. We'll take a look at how you can leverage Bigin's workflows to automate different parts of the payment collection process, right from generating the payment link to sending timely reminders. Let's get started. Let's use Zilker Travel Agency as our example. Right now, as soon as Zilker finalizes the package a customer wants, they manually move the deal to the payment collection stage. Open the deal and then click on the Collect Payment button to generate and share the unique payment link with the customer. If the payments are overdue, they send the reminders manually, and once the payment has been made, they move the deal to the next stage. In this video, I'll be showing you how all of that can be automated. Let's start by setting up a workflow that automatically generates a payment link when a deal moves from one stage to another. Head to Settings, then Automation, and then click on Workflows under the Automation Rules tab. Click on New Workflow and then specify the module with which you want to associate the workflow. In this case, it's going to be the International Packages Pipeline under the Pipelines module. Remember that the payments can only be collected through pipeline records, so the Pipelines module must always be selected here. Now give the workflow a name and a description for your reference. Now, let's set up the trigger. In this case, we want the payment link to be generated when a record moves from the package confirmed stage to the payment collection stage. Head to the Record Action tab and set the trigger as the stage field being edited to a particular value, which in this case is payment collection. Click on Next. Next, specify which records the workflow should apply to. You can set the criteria that a record needs to meet, or you have the workflow run for all records moved to the payment collection stage. Click on Next. And then under Instant Actions, click on Collect Payments. You can choose Instant Actions if you want the link to be generated as soon as the deal is moved. If you'd prefer a short delay, head to the Scheduled Actions instead and do the same thing there. Now let's configure the details for the payment link. Start by giving this action a name. Then specify the recipients who will be receiving the email with the payment link. In this scenario, I want the email to go out to the email ID of the contact associated with that particular deal. So let's choose the email field of the contact. If you want the email to go out to more than one recipient, you can add the remaining email addresses here. Now, we'll have to specify the amount the link needs to be generated for. If you choose the From an Amount field option, then the payment link will be generated for the amount that is associated with the deal it is being created for. If you want all the payment links to be generated for a fixed amount, you can specify that here. Or if you want the customer to decide what they wish to pay, you can choose the Decided by Customer option. In this scenario, I'm going to choose From an Amount field. Now you have to specify the due date for making the payment. In this scenario, I want the customer to make the payment within 10 days of me sending out this email. So the due date is going to be the automation trigger date, which is basically the date on which the payment was generated and sent, plus 10 days. If you wish to give them a grace period of a day or two, you can do that as well. After that, we'll have to write the email containing the payment link that will go out to the customer. You can start off by setting the from and reply to addresses, and then you can edit the subject line or the body based on your requirement. If you already have a template, you can use that as well. Once you finalize the contents of the email, click on Save. Save again. Now that the workflow is configured, payment links will automatically be generated every single time a record moves from the package confirm stage to the payment collection stage. Now, the payment link is out, but customers get busy and payments slip through. Bigin's payment-related triggers make it possible to automatically send reminders when a payment is overdue or close to being due. So let's set that up. Click on Create New Workflow button again, associated with the same pipeline as the payment collection workflow. Add a workflow name and a description for your reference. Then click on Next. In this case, the trigger is going to be related to the status of a payment link. So head to the On a Payment Link Action tab and specify that the workflow needs to be triggered every time a payment link's status changes to overdue. Click on Next. Then specify the conditions a record needs to meet for the workflow to fire. For example, if you only want reminders going out for deals above 1,000, then you can set that condition here. Click on Next. In this case, the action is that we are going to send them an email. Give the action a name. Specify the recipient, which again is going to be the email ID of the contact associated with that particular deal. Set the from and reply to address. And then specify the template which you want to send out. If you don't have the template ready, click on the Create Template option. And then start drafting the email that you want to send out as a reminder for the overdue payment. Set a template name, a subject line for the email, and then draft the email body. And a quick tip here, you can now add merge fields to your template content, which will automatically pull the details related to the payment link associated with the deal. So just click on hashtag and select the payments option. In this case, I want to insert the payment link which is associated with that deal so that it's easier for the customer to make the payment. So I'll choose the payment link option, which means that the payment link associated with that particular deal will automatically get added to the email. Once you've written the reminder email, click on Save. Choose the folder in which you want to save it and then save again. Once the template is created, head back to the workflow and choose that as the email template to be sent out every time this workflow is triggered. Click on Save and then save again. And from this point on, every time a payment over 1,000 is overdue, Bigin will automatically send an email reminder. Bigin has also introduced the ability to what happens next after a payment is made. Right now, like I mentioned, Zilker automatically moves the deal from the payment collection stage to the next one every single time they notice that a payment has been made. But that can be automated as well. Click on the New Workflow button again. Associate this workflow with the same pipelines as before and add a workflow name and description for your reference. And then click on Next. The trigger in this case is that the payment link status has changed to amount paid. Apply it to all bookings and all payment links. And set the action as update field. Provide the name for this action. In this case, it can be updating stage after payment collection. Specify the module and then choose the field which needs to be updated. In this case, it's going to be the subpipeline and stage. Now we'll have to specify the subpipeline and the stage to which we want the deal to move to. So in this case, we want the deal to move from the payment collection stage to the document collection stage. So we'll be choosing document collection here, which means that every single time the status of a payment link changes to amount paid, that record will move to the document collection stage. Click on save and save again. And the automation is now live. So that's a look at how you can automate various parts of the payment collection process. If your business has a different payment flow you'd like to automate, head to Bigin and set it up now. If you run into any difficulties, reach out to us at support@bigin.com and we'll be happy to help. If you have any questions or feedback, or just want to share what you're planning to automate next, drop it in the comments below. Thank you for watching.